Some of Earth's greatest works of art are hidden inside rocks. A plain stone can contain a desert landscape. A dark gemstone can reveal a glowing star. A blue mineral can grow in clusters that look like tiny berries. And an ordinary volcanic rock can hide a crystal world no one can see from the outside. These wonders were not painted, carved, or designed. They were created by heat, pressure, mineral-rich water, and millions of years of geological change. Today, we're counting down 10 extraordinary rocks and gemstones that prove nature may be the greatest artist of all. You'll see hidden fire, natural crosses, moving storms, mysterious eyes, and landscapes formed entirely by minerals. And at number 1, we'll open a rock that may look completely ordinary until its hidden world is revealed. Number 10. Picture Jasper. Picture Jasper can look like a miniature landscape trapped inside stone. Its surface may resemble desert cliffs, distant mountains, golden valleys, or a cloudy sky stretching across an ancient horizon. What makes it extraordinary is that no artist created these scenes. Every image formed naturally. Picture Jasper is an opaque variety of chalcedony, a microcrystalline form of quartz. Iron oxides and other mineral impurities became distributed through silica-rich material, creating layers, bands, and flowing patterns. When the stone is cut and polished, those hidden structures can resemble landscapes. Notable deposits occur in Oregon, Idaho, and Wyoming in the United States. Its value depends less on size than on the quality of the natural picture. Small, common pieces may sell for around $5 to $20, while large or unusually scenic collector specimens can reach $100 to $500 or more. Collectors often choose Picture Jasper the way they choose a painting. They search for a horizon, a mountain, or a scene that seems to tell a story. But the next gemstone does not resemble a peaceful landscape. It appears to contain fire. Number 9. Fire Agate. At first, fire agate may look dark, rough, and almost ordinary. Then it moves beneath the light. Suddenly, flashes of red, orange, green, gold, and sometimes blue seem to burn beneath its surface. Its most remarkable feature is that the color can change dramatically as the stone is turned. Fire agate forms in volcanic environments where silica-rich fluids deposit layers of chalcedony and iron-rich minerals. Its fiery colors are produced when light interacts with extremely thin mineral layers, creating an optical effect known as thin film interference. Important deposits occur in Arizona, California, and northern Mexico. Its value is strongly connected to color intensity, coverage, and cutting quality. Small pieces with limited color may sell for $20 to $100, while fine gems showing bright, multicolored fire across much of the surface may bring several hundred to several $1,000s. The challenge is that much of the color can remain hidden inside rough material. A skilled cutter must reveal the fire without cutting it away. And from hidden fire, we move to a mineral that naturally forms a shape people have considered mysterious for centuries. Number 8. Starite, the fairy cross stone. Some starite crystals appear to form a perfect cross. Two brown, reddish-brown, or nearly black crystals intersect, creating a shape that looks carved rather than grown. Long before scientists understood these formations, people created legends around them. In parts of Europe, they became known as fairy crosses. Some were carried as protective objects, while others were believed to be connected to sacred events or ancient spirits. Starite forms deep within metamorphic rocks under intense heat and pressure. Under certain conditions, two crystals grow through one another at characteristic angles, producing a natural cross-shaped twin. These crosses are not carved. They are created by the mineral's internal crystal structure. Famous specimens occur in Georgia and Virginia in the United States, as well as in parts of France, Switzerland, and Russia. Small cross crystals are often sold for $5 to $30, but large, sharply formed, undamaged examples can sell for $100 to $500 or more, especially when the cross is clear and naturally complete. A stone shaped like a symbol can inspire centuries of folklore. But the next stone creates something even more unsettling. It can look as though it is watching you. Number 7. Fire Agate. Look into an Fire Agate, and you may feel that the stone is looking back. A dark center is surrounded by rings of white, gray, brown, red, orange, or black. Some specimens contain a single eye. Others reveal several eyes scattered across the same surface. The strange effect comes from the human brain's tendency to recognize familiar shapes in natural patterns. This phenomenon is called pareidolia. That is why Fire Agate can seem almost alive. Geologically, the rings form as silica-rich fluids deposit repeated layers around a central point. Over time, microscopic quartz grows outward in curved bands. When the stone is cut across those structures, the circular patterns are revealed. Fire Agate is found in India, Brazil, Mexico, and the western United States. Many polished pieces sell for around $10 to $50, but specimens with several sharply defined, symmetrical eyes, or large natural slices with dramatic color contrast, may sell for $100 to $500 or more. The most memorable examples are not necessarily the biggest. They are the ones whose patterns make you stop and look twice. And while Fire Agate creates an illusion through rings of mineral growth, the next mineral looks like a cluster of blue fruit, but every berry is real crystal growth. Number 6. Blueberry. Azurite. Blueberry azurite looks like tiny blue berries growing from a rock. Its rounded spheres can be so vividly colored that they appear artificial. But the intense blue comes naturally from copper. What makes these specimens especially unusual is that the berry-like shape was not produced by cutting or polishing. The mineral grew this way underground. Azurite forms near Earth's surface when copper-bearing minerals react with water, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Under the right conditions, it develops rounded clusters called botryoidal formations. The term comes from an ancient Greek word meaning a bunch of grapes. Fine examples have been found in Morocco, Australia, Mexico, and the southwestern United States. Small specimens may sell for $20 to $100, while large, vivid blue pieces with well-formed, undamaged spheres can reach several hundred or even thousands of dollars. Mineral collectors often judge these specimens as natural sculptures. The deeper the blue, the sharper the spheres, and the more complete the cluster, the more desirable the specimen can become. And if copper chemistry can create something that resembles fruit, the next stone can create the illusion of an entire storm. Number 5. Petersite. Petersite is often called the tempest stone. When light moves across its polished surface, golden flashes, deep blue clouds, bronze waves, and dark currents appear to shift beneath the stone. Its surface can look like a storm frozen in motion. The effect is caused by chatoyancy, a moving band of reflected light produced by microscopic mineral fibers. Unlike the orderly fibers found in tiger's eye, Petersite contains fibers that have been broken, folded, and rearranged. That geological disruption creates its wild, chaotic movement. Petersite was discovered in Namibia in 1962 by Sid Peters, whose name the stone now carries. Important deposits were later identified in China. Smaller polished cabochons may sell for around $20 to $100, while large, high-quality stones with strong blue and gold movement can sell for several $100s or more. Its value is not based only on color. The most desirable pieces appear to move as the light changes. A photograph can capture Petersite's colors, but only movement reveals its full storm. Then, From moving clouds and lightning, we reach a gemstone that can reveal a star. Number 4. Star Garnet. In ordinary light, star garnet may appear dark red, brown, or almost black. Then a focused beam of light touches its polished surface. A bright star appears. As the stone moves, the star moves with it. This rare optical phenomenon is called asterism. It is created by tiny needle-like mineral inclusions arranged in specific directions inside the garnet. Light reflects from those structures and produces crossing rays. Many star garnets display 4 rays. 6-rayed stars are much rarer. One of the best-known sources is Idaho, where star garnet is the official state gemstone. It is also found in India. The stone must be cut as a smooth cabochon and aligned carefully with its internal structure. If the cutter chooses the wrong orientation, the star may appear weak or off-center. Small stones with faint stars may sell for $30 to $100. Fine gems with a sharp, centered star can reach several $100s, while large, high-quality or rare 6-rayed examples may command thousands of dollars. The star is hidden inside the crystal. Light simply reveals it. But the next rock preserves something much older. Ancient fractures formed beneath an ancient sea. Number 3. Septarian. Septarian stones can look like ancient maps. Dark lines divide the rock into irregular sections, while yellow, brown, gray, or cream-colored minerals fill the spaces between them. Some specimens resemble cracked earth. Others look like reptile skin, or the ruins of a forgotten city. Many Septarian nodules began as soft sediment on ancient seafloors. As the sediment hardened, the interior contracted and developed fractures. Later, mineral-rich groundwater entered those cracks and deposited minerals such as calcite and aragonite. The fractures were slowly sealed. Septarian specimens are found in Madagascar, Morocco, Utah, and Wyoming. Small polished pieces may cost $10 to $50, while large, beautifully patterned nodules or display specimens can sell for $200 to $1,000 or more. Their appeal is not just decorative. Every crack records a sequence of events. First, the sediment hardened, then the rock fractured, and finally, minerals filled the empty spaces. But the next stone creates an even more convincing natural illusion, a forest with no plants inside. Number 2. Moss agate. Inside. Moss agate. Dark green, black, brown, or reddish patterns can resemble moss, trees, roots, or entire forests. But there are no plants trapped inside the stone. The illusion is created entirely by minerals. Iron and manganese oxides form branching structures called dendrites. Silica surrounds these patterns and preserves them inside translucent chalcedony. The result can look remarkably alive. Moss agate is found in India, Brazil, Uruguay, and the United States. Some famous material comes from Montana, where delicate mineral patterns appear to float inside clear stone. Common polished pieces may sell for $5 to $30, while high-quality specimens with detailed, landscape-like patterns can bring $100 to $500 or more. One viewer may see a forest, another may see a riverbank. Someone else may see distant trees beneath an open sky. The stone does not contain one fixed image. The viewer completes the landscape. And now, we reach number 1, a rock whose greatest beauty remains invisible until it is opened. Number 1, thunder egg. From the outside, a thunder egg may look like nothing special. It can be rough, dull, brown, gray, and completely ordinary. There may be no visible sign of what lies inside. Then the rock is cut open. The interior may reveal colorful agate bands, clear quartz, sparkling crystals, or patterns that resemble flowers, rivers, flames, and distant landscapes. Every unopened thunder egg holds a mystery. No one can know exactly what the interior will reveal until the stone is cut. Thunder eggs form in volcanic environments. As volcanic material cools, rounded structures develop inside the rock. Later, silica-rich groundwater deposits layers of chalcedony, quartz, and other minerals. Over millions of years, those minerals create the hidden patterns. Thunder eggs are especially famous in Oregon, where they are recognized as the official state rock. They also occur in Germany, Australia, Mexico, and other volcanic regions. They are often confused with geodes, but they form differently. A geode usually develops around a hollow cavity. A thunder egg is generally a more solid volcanic nodule containing internal mineral growth. Small cut specimens may sell for $10 to $50, while large, rare, vividly patterned, or crystal-filled examples can sell for several hundred to several $1,000s. The most valuable specimens combine size, unusual color, strong internal patterns, and a clean cut that reveals the complete geological design. Before the cut, the stone is a mystery. After the cut, millions of years of Earth's history appear on a single surface. These extraordinary stones reveal what Earth can create when chemistry, pressure, water, and time work together. A mineral layer becomes fire, a crystal structure becomes a cross, tiny inclusions become a star, ancient fractures become natural artwork, and an ordinary volcanic rock becomes a hidden world. The next time you see a plain stone on the ground, look again. What you see on the surface may be only the beginning of its story. Which of these extraordinary rocks surprised you the most? Was it the hidden fire of Fire Agate? The mysterious fairy cross? The storm inside Petersite? Or the secret world inside the thunder egg? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe to Pro Gems for more extraordinary rocks, rare gemstones, and the hidden geological stories beneath Earth's surface. Because the next incredible discovery may be hiding in a stone everyone else walked past.